Friends, today we are going to do the unboxing and review of Moto G5s Plus. This smartphone was launched in August 2017. The phone comes with a 5.5-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. The Moto G5s Plus is powered by a 2 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with a 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage and that can be further expanded to 128 GB via micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Moto G5s Plus packs with a dual 13 megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 8 megapixel front facing camera or the selfie camera. The Moto G5s Plus is a dual SIM GSM and GSM smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. It's containing. So here comes the Moto G5s Plus. On the top of the phone, we are seeing in this film all major features are being covered, like the dual camera, 3000 mAh battery, 5.5-inch screen, memory card, fingerprint sensor. The design is metal body. On the rear, we are seeing the camera. On the side, we are seeing the power button and the volume up down key. On the other side, we are seeing the SIM card slot. On the bottom, we are seeing the charging input. On the top, we are seeing the audio jack. On the design front, this phone is awesome. This is the fingerprint sensor. Let's see what else inside the box. So this is where the mobile was resting. This is the user manual, which is obviously useless. And now look into the earphones. They are quite regular earphones type, and here we are having this charging cable, which is not a very long size cable, and this is the Motorola adapter. So this charging USB cable and the charger is a regular one. It's not a C type, which you should remember. Here we are having the SIM card pin, which is very handy in a big size, and the box is quite average, I would say. It's not very powerful, rigid to take care of the device. And now let's remove the film to see what's inside of it. So this is the Gorilla Glass we are seeing. On the side, we are seeing the SIM card slot. It's a hybrid SIM card slot, which is disappointing, as you cannot use both SIM cards and memory card at once. Either you can use SIM card and memory card, or you can use SIM card and SIM card. I'm going to show you the demonstration here: SIM card, and SIM card and memory card. So this is the Motorola default logo. Let's see how is the GUI of the phone. And the graphic user interface of the phone is quite disappointing because it is using the default Android GUI, while nowadays people are preferring the customized GUI of different companies. However, this phone's response is awesome, and the video quality of this phone is also great. And I would like to tell you people that on the bottom we are having these speakers, and this YouTube video we are going to check the quality and all. And after the thoroughly examination, I have found that this mobile phone is worth buying in that range, and it's a great phone. And I would like to say that its camera is also awesome. I'm going to upload few pictures which has been taken through this camera. The focus is working fine, and if you are switching the focus between the objects, it's doing great, and reducing the light and increasing the light is easy also. Thank you for watching the video. Let us know how the review was. Have a nice day.